Hello everyone, today we will see some new add-on. It's called Hard Surface Detailer. So let's get started. So maybe on the beginning we will make some plane. I will show you on plane. New material, tab to edit mode, select polygon. And when you install add-on on N panel, so if you hit N, you will see this Hard Surface Detailer, and you have three different options: structure, high frequency detail, and how. For example, let's start from the structure. Okay. And in real time, building some 3D models. All for wall panels. One, we will make a new object. So delete this one. Mesh, cube. It. Select this first polygon, X. Delete faces. Now, very important thing. If you go here, viewport shading, you have something like in option backface culling. So turn this on. Now with A, select all polygons, Alt N, and flip normals. Right. We will make new material for this. Okay, assign. Now select the walls. And here in the on the style, high frequency detail. And okay. As you can see, we have already done some walls. We can play with. Really, lots of different options. Okay. Maybe something like this. Alright. Next, we will select, for example, this polygon. Okay. Now, ceiling. Alright. For example, on the floor, we will make hull. Or yeah. And as you can see, maybe 40 seconds, we have already done some sci-fi interior.